Lisa with WTI, and today I would love to show you something very versatile I have here in my kitchen. And it's this set of pots and pans from GK Steel Detachable. These are very unique because first of all, I want you to see how they're beautifully covered with titanium diamond coating, which this helps to preserve the original food taste. Something very nice about them that they have a removable handle, making it super convenient for you to clean, to put in the oven, or to even save space by stacking them. I really like the fact that they're non-stick because it makes it super easy to cook. I love it too because the lid on each one of the three of them makes it super easy to store it without dirtying other containers. These are great for reheating food, or I love prepping my oatmeal to eat it during the week. I just cook it, I let it cool down, and then I put the lid and leave it in the fridge and take my portion every day, making it super easy and convenient. Also, the cleaning part is lovely because it's non-stick, so everything comes off so easily. These are beautiful pots and pans. They're unique, they're very versatile, and these would make the perfect gift, and that is my point of view.